Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. Amanda Papadiana with name 123202012. Class by C dari C Win Sunan Gunung Bandung. Here I will explain a content video on Garing original semester exams. The video discusses Al-Ghazali's philosophical theology by Frank David, highlighting Al-Ghazali's significant role as an Islamic theologian in the 12th century. It emphasizes his belief in reconciling philosophy and theology, and presents is an unique cosmological views, asserting that good creates the world in accordance with natural laws. The video also explores differing interpretation of Al-Ghazali's stance of philosophy, showcasing his influence on later scholars. Overall, it serves as a valuable resource for understanding Al-Ghazali's life and thought within Islamic thought. And my opinion regarding this video is that an Islamic philosopher named Imam Al-Ghazali is a Muslim scientist who is very much in various science, especially in the field of creation by this science named Frank. That's all I can say. Be proud to be a Muslim because many of the accomplishments of the past are appealing today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.